Hi, Paul Godden here. Welcome to the first video in the Business Video Strategy series. What I want to do in this video is just to give you an introduction and overview to the series and how it'll all work and fit together. First up, just a super quick intro to me so you get an idea of where I'm coming from and my background and why I'm standing here with this. Look, for the past 15 years I've been recording events, workshops, conferences and businesses and so on for many on and offline business people. I've seen and heard a lot of things as well as learned a lot of information on a wide range of business and marketing topics aside from the video. And prior to being a full-time video marketer, I was a corporate trainer for about 15 years. So that gave me insight into process and flow. What all this means for you, and that's the important thing, is that I've been around, seen and heard a lot, experienced the best and worst of them, I can tell you, in both the on and the offline world. So I now refer to myself as a video marketing strategist. That's as opposed to someone who is a videographer or just makes videos. And that's what I'll be bringing to you here in Business Video Strategy. So it's not just about make a video. But look, a dilemma I've been wrestling with is, where do I start? Because when I look at it, topics will include things like how to plan your video strategy, what equipment to use, how to overcome any fears around being on camera, what to make your videos on, writing powerful scripts, setting up and recording your videos, editing and post-production, repurposing your videos so you get maximum value. That's a whole range of stuff, and not forgetting that there's so many ways that you can distribute your videos and more. That's so much. Look, now I don't want to go all salesy on you here, but do keep in mind that me and my team offer a done-for-you service for all the back-end work for the editing, optimizing and distribution. With the how to make video, I'm going to start by posting a sequence of videos from a product that I made called Video Made Easy for Business. Later, I'll add some videos from another program that I've created called iVideo Mastery, which, as the name might suggest, is how to use an iPhone or an iPad or a smartphone to make video. I made that one, but then I realized that 95% of the content applied to any smartphone, not just iPhone or iPad, so hence smartphones as well. And in fact, a lot of it is, even if using a video camera, the same principles still apply. However, I'm conscious that I need to be careful of not overwhelming you with too much information. So I'll try and make it sequential for you. Now, before we go any further, I'd like to share what I believe is the real secret to making great video. Want to know what it is? Is it equipment? Is it editing? Is it... No. It's not about needing to be perfect, whatever the hell perfect is, and churning out Hollywood quality videos. It's simply that you need to always keep in mind that videos are merely a tool or a form of communication, albeit a very powerful one. But the real secret to use video to convey information where that content is directly relevant to your audience. That's it. It's about, message to market match. So many people get hung up on what's the best equipment to use and on being technically brilliant with making videos and putting in special effects or whatever. But your viewers just want information or help that will improve their lives or maybe will help their businesses. Ultimately, it's about we're all looking for something that will solve a problem for us. And maybe it could be all of those. But now, just a disclaimer here, your videos do need to be easy on the eye and, more importantly, have good quality audio. And particularly these days when people expect better quality. So the key to video success is make videos with content relevant to your viewers. That's the real secret. Therefore, as I guide you through what equipment to use, how to structure a video and edit them and so on, always remember that it's the content that's most important, okay? And that should take a lot of stress off you. Now, on to how all this will work. I'm planning to publish at this stage 2 videos per week, so that you're not overwhelmed, and they'll only be short videos and can fit them into your schedule. And at this stage I'm thinking Tuesdays and Thursdays of each week is when I'll publish. Now, at relevant times that match the topics that I'm publishing, I'll be providing a range of resources, things like templates, checklists, graphics, royalty-free music tracks, and more to add value for you. These will be available separately as part of on my business video for profit website, and I'll be posting all the videos there as well. Now I'll put here on the screen the shortened URL, which is a bit.ly for BV strategy. Look, that's it for now. Keep your eyes out for the first video in the series, or the next video in the series. This is the first one. And remember to post your comments and questions below, and I'll do my best to respond and to answer to them. Now, I'm really looking forward to sharing this journey with you and to answering questions and seeing you embracing video. So here's to your success with harnessing this powerful tool called video.